Preparing, printing, and filing 1099-DA forms to the IRS is quick and easy with Easy 1099. Step 1. Prepare your forms. After installation, open Easy 1099. Click the Company menu to access the Company Setup Wizard and enter your business information. Next, click Add Recipient to enter recipient details. Then click Add Form and select Form 1099-DA. Step 2. Print forms. When your forms are ready, you can print a single form or batch print multiple forms. Choose between printing on plain white paper or printing data only onto pre-printed IRS forms. You can also save recipient copies as PDF files for easy electronic delivery or record keeping. Step 3. Submit 1099-DA forms to the IRS. Important: the IRS file system does not accept Form 1099-DA submissions using your own TCC. To file this form electronically, you must use Easy 1099's built-in direct eFile feature. Before e-filing, register for a free customer account. You'll need it to upload forms and track filing status. Purchase eFile credits based on the number of forms you're submitting. Now let us submit forms to the IRS. Once your forms are ready, click on the Direct eFile option from the top menu. Select the forms you want to file from the list. Choose the File option. If you are submitting a correction or a replacement, be sure to enter the original receipt ID. Click eFile with Halfpricesoft.com. The software will automatically validate your form data. If no validation errors are found, enter your customer account username and password. Then click Upload to submit forms. Our system will securely transmit your 1099 and 1096 forms to the IRS through our registered TCC and IRS account automatically. After uploading, log into your customer account anytime to monitor your submission status. It usually takes a few hours to 2 business days for the IRS to update the status. You'll also receive an email notification once the IRS accepts or declines your submission. If you need help, click the Help menu for a step-by-step guide, or visit our support page on the Halfpricesoft website. Make tax season stress-free with Easy 1099. Download the free demo today and see how easy it is to prepare, print, and e-file your 1099 forms to the IRS.